Okay. Here we are with Dylan, and he has 7 packets of fire sauce, and he is going to eat all 7 packets with no drink. Go ahead, Dylan. Fire sauce from Taco Bell. 1. 2.
I should have ripped these before we did this.
Wait. No, you did that, didn't you? Look, I don't want to be that guy. Technically, according to USBC Rule 5A, that is a lane violation. Oh, what, you didn't prove? That's not my play with y'all. I'm sure it is.
3. No drink yet. Look at it going in. 4. 5. I think we're gonna have to chase this down with some Pepto later. 6.
Oh, wait. I'm gonna fit.
I'll take 3 then.
No problem.
And his brother is going to take 3. Oh, hold on.
That's good. Do number 7.
I'll finish that one in a minute.
I don't think these guys are going anywhere anytime soon. Just get out of here. That's true. One side keeps falling. Hey, fingerprint. Sometimes I gotta remind you, man.
Can you open this one?
Okay. I know what this looks like. So do I. Looks like you're a hero. That's exactly what this looks like.
Okay.
That's number 7.
Someone's getting it. No.
There's 7 packets down.
I gotta finish this.
Gotta finish one.
It's like with Detective Pereira. I pulled him out of a burning bin, and he still treats me like I'm that guy on the boardwalk who draws cartoons and tours holding surfboards.
7. And no drink. That's good enough. And no drink. How does your tongue feel? What about your throat?
I don't know. Unexplainable.
Your tongue?
Kind of numb.
Numb? I would bet so. From 7 packets of fire sauce.
It's like, I don't know how to explain it.
And Clayton is going to do 1 pack of hot sauce.
No?
Whoa! I can break my camera lens. Okay, Clayton. That's good enough. Oh, before you spill it everywhere. Swallow the sauce. Don't do all 3, Clay. Just swallow 1 sauce before you. All right, wash it down. Wash it down. Wash it down with Sunny. I know it's hot. It's hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
And as soon as Kitty trusts me, I'm gonna find out everything you want to know about the research.
All right, good job. And that was the Taco Bell hot sauce competition.